Baba God, did I offended you before? Baba God, the time I was in heaven, did I disobey you? Did I disobey you? Did I not put everything in order in your presence? That you remember in your word in Psalm 3, verse, verse 6, you say, I am not afraid of my enemy, consider me in every side. Come, Lord, and save me. You punish all my enemy and leave them powerless to harm me, O Lord. Father, may come give us money. From G to G1, from grace to grace. Did I not follow your instruction? Did I not offended you? Baba God, where I offended you, please forgive. Baba God, can you not thank God for life? You dey sleep, you dey alive. You go, you dey alive. You sit down, you dey alive. Can you thank God? Baba God, Oluwa, may you come and hear me. Make us to be grow as you are. You say whoever knock your door, he shall open the door for Baba God. May you come bless us. Baba God,